Hi everyone. This video is more of an update video to an existing feature that we have, which is the integration with My Booking Rewards. We added that several years back, but since then they have updated their system to include more programs, and we have updated our side of things to allow you to register those newer programs directly from VacationCRM. So for those of you that aren't familiar with My Booking Rewards, you can of course go to their website here, mybookingrewardz.com, and check it out. But essentially, what they do is they handle the pre-registration programs with several different programs. Some of them are the direct programs that hotel chains have. Others are with tourism boards for specific destinations, and then they also have more generic programs by, let's say, region, where you can pre-register, and they all have different perks. But overall, this is a great program. It's very easy to register things, and also for anything that pays you actual bonus cash, it's very nice in the options they give you. So, I don't have anything that is actually a legitimate booking, but if we just click here, you can see once you do have bookings that are approved, you can choose to sign up for a prepaid Visa debit card, or you can just have it go to your Amazon account as an e-gift card. So nice options there. Now just to go over the programs here, I'll just click on reward programs, and basically you can join each one individually. So like I mentioned, some of them here are direct hotel programs, and then some are more generic, like European rewards. So basically anything you sell to Europe can be registered, and these basically they enter you for prize draws, and you can win $50 prize based on a drawing. You've got other programs direct here. These are the ones that I haven't joined, and as we scroll down, you can see these are the ones that I have actually joined. So the Dominican Republic Global Loyalty Program, that's a really good one. You can click on any of these to learn more, but basically this one, if you have bookings of at least 4 nights or 5 nights, you get a $4 or $5 bonus, basically, or points that are eligible for those dollars that would be added to your account, which again can go to your card or your Amazon account. The Blue Diamond one is actually really good as well. So here you can see like per room night, if you do Diamond Club, is 1,500 points. So each point is worth, I think, a penny, up to a maximum of 7,500 points. So if you booked any Diamond Club room for 5 or more nights, you'd get the full 7,500 points, which would be $75 that you could transfer to your card and use as you see fit. So basically, yeah, you just join whichever ones you want, and then they'll be in the list here, and then you can manage everything from your account in here. Now, as far as the VacationCRM side of things, the way you do these, it's very simple, is from the reservation. It's just like most of the other pre-registration programs we have. So here's this booking I have, traveling in November to Royalton Punta Cana. So in this case, I chose this specific resort and destination because that would qualify for several different programs. If we look in here, the Caribbean Rewards, the Dominican Republic, and the Blue Diamond program. So 3 in that one. So basically, you put in your booking just like you normally would, and then under the hotel, there's this button. Now, if you do not see, this button should show up all the time. Now, if for some reason it does not show up, that likely means you just haven't entered your My Booking Rewards email address and your user settings. So what you can do is you can go to settings and manage user details. Now, if you're an admin user, as soon as you click this, it will take you right to the supplier info screen. If you are a non-admin user, it may or may not. If you do not have an option for supplier info and credentials, you just need to reach out to your agency admin, and there's a checkbox they can check in your user settings to give you access to this. Once they've checked that and saved, you can just log out and log back in, then go into the screen and you'll have access here. And you simply just want to go in here to the My Booking Rewards email. If you're not a member, you can click here to join, and once you've done that, just put your email address in here and click save, and then this button will always show up when you have a hotel reservation component and you just want to go ahead and mark it as registered. So we'll click register with My Booking Rewards, and we just need to select the program name. So we'll say Blue Diamond Agent Rewards, and it figured out the exact hotel. As far as the room type, you just want to double check that because they're labeled slightly differently in here from what you might have entered in VCRM. So we're just going to look for, let's do Luxury Room Diamond Club, and just verify that everything else looks correct, and simply just click register. And the nice thing about this is, even though I selected one program name here, Blue Diamond, they will automatically apply it to every qualifying program that they offer. So like I mentioned earlier, this particular one has kind of 3 different programs that it can apply to. So just me doing this one step will automatically register it to all 3. And then of course it'll show up as a pending booking until I believe they travel. It may be slightly different from program to program, but you can always look at your account, see your activity, see your bookings. I haven't played around in here too much, but you can click around, or you can reach out to them if you have specific questions about that. But you should be able to see exactly what you have registered and whether it was approved or declined, or whether you've been awarded the money, things like that, pending approval, see stuff like that. So if you have any questions for us, feel free to reach out, or like I said, if you have questions more on this side of things, you can reach out to them and they'll be more than happy to help you. Thank you.